Heading into the gym, and I just really quickly wanted to show you guys how I prep my hair for a workout. So this is what I use. It's a satin-esque, because it's not satin but the material is a little bit more silky, scarf. I fold it so that it mimics the shape of a neck strip, and neck strips are what we mold our hair down with when we get under the dryer. So I fold it like this. You see the little point at the bottom? I did that intentionally. Then I take the scarf and I'm making sure that point that I left in the back is at the nape of my neck. That'll give me a little bit more coverage at the nape, and that's generally where we have those fine hairs that lay upon our neck. I'm growing my hair out down here a little bit, so I want to keep it in place as much as I can. So I make sure that that point hits that part. And when I'm placing it on my sides, I'm making sure that my sideburns are covered, my sides are covered, and I don't put a knot here. What I do is cross it one time and then I tuck the ends of the scarf in. My goal is to keep it as flat upon my head as I can. And often, depending on your style, if you have a heavy bang, if you throw a knot right here, you're gonna have a big dent in your hair, and you would need to utilize heat to silk that out. We want to avoid heat, and we want the ease of being able to go work out with your short hair and possibly going to work or anything, errands or whatever you may have to do afterwards, and it makes for a smooth transition. So my sides, my nape is covered, my sides are covered. After the workout, you don't want to take the wrap off your head. If you sweating your scalp, generally the sides that you wrapped on will remold themselves. Now that's conditional on if you need if you're keeping your sides edged up properly, and when I say edge up I mean relaxed, as well as the amount of sweating. Usually the top of your hair will be fine. The key is the haircut. So when you have a good haircut and you have what you need with you, like I'm in the car, just left the shop, and I make sure that I have an extra bag just in case of stuff that I may need to pull myself together to go and work out. And it's a good way to just avoid a whole lot of excuses. So a great haircut and having what you need to be able to transition, if you can pop into the gym and maintain your hair where you don't have to start all over and shampoo. Another great key is, in the event that you get a little out of whack on the sides and back, you can always use your styling foam, pump your foam into your hand and put it on your hair dry. So it'll allow you to define your sides, or make sure that the direction of your sideburns are together, or the nape of your neck. So those are why tools are important. And I just like to share this information because I don't want us not getting in the gym and doing what we got to do because we're worried about our hair. We want good health and we want to look fly. So this is a good tip.